which is the prone position.
Prone position.
Prone position, we need to take the support of peg
Okay.
while firing any part of your body or
The rifle.
rifle. It should be
In
taken
touch.
a touch or support of the peg. Now, this is the second position. We'll keep the posters here where you can came to know about which position is this.
Okay.
This is a standing position
Okay.
without support.
Without support. Okay.
Like you cannot support in a way by touching anything.
Hmm.
Like we are going to the black one.
Yes.
That is a standing position with
Okay.
support.
Okay.
So now this is a position without support.
Okay. Just standing
Yeah, that's standing without support.
without support. Okay.
But you need to touch
Touch the post.
this. Like if you wanted to touch, it
Okay.
should be touched with the peg.
Okay. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Now we are coming to third. Third one is the same as prone position.
Okay.
Third one is prone. Fourth one is prone.
Prone without touching.
No, prone with.
Prone with touching. Okay.
Again prone with touch.
Okay. Prone with touch.
Now we are coming to fifth position.
Fifth position.
Now fifth is standing position.
Okay.
Standing position with support.
With support. Okay.
Like if we are
Okay, I
taking
can
the
touch it.
rifle,
Yes.
we can take the support of
Okay.
this, or we can. But you have to see your barrel and your trigger. It should be maintain a distance with the pole position.
Like this.
Yeah. Now you can see the cylinder and the trigger part.
Yes.
This is the
Post.
pole.
Uh,
It will make you difficult while you triggering it.
okay.
So you need to take a position like this.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So you are
You're-
free to
free
have.
to fire.
trigger.
Yes.
So there is no complication between the pole and your trigger point.
Correct.
Right.
Right.
Then we are moving to next lane. The sixth one again prone with support.
With support.
Then again prone
Prone
with support.
with support.
Now this one is a kneeling position.
Okay. Kneeling position.
So kneeling position will be your triangle one.
Okay.
Like if you take the kneeling position,
Uh-huh.
so this triangle should be maintained.
Okay. Okay.
Then only either you can put your armrest to
Okay.
your leg,
Mm-hmm.
or you can put your elbow.
Okay.
You can take a support of elbow or
Okay.
your armrest.
Okay. If I have an armrest, I can use it. Is it?
Extra armrest you
Yes.
have, so you need to put in this, no?
Oh. Arc. Okay.
With prone,
Okay.
with support,
Okay.
then again prone,
Prone.
with support,
Support.
again prone,
Prone.
with support.
support.
Now this one is kneeling with support.
Kneeling with support. Okay. Kneeling
Now
the triangle
kneeling.
form. The triangle form with
Again, you can take the support of
Okay.
the pole and you can
support. And shoot.
fire.
Okay. Okay.
Then again prone,
Prone.
then again prone,
Prone.
then again prone.
Okay.
Now the distance it is kept unusual.
Yes.
You don't know, and even we also don't know.
Okay.
But we have kept from 12 meters till 42 meters, 40
42
meters, 40, 42
Okay.
meters.
Okay.
So that's the procedure.
Okay. Thank you.